A warm welcome back to Taslima My Art, my friends. I'm Taz, and I'm super excited to be introducing the Alice in Wonderland Art Collab. I can't wait to show you my contribution alongside 15 other amazing global artists who also present their own artistic interpretations of this iconic tale. This is a 2-day collaboration on the 16th and 17th of April, and you will find the full playlist down below in the description box. Up before me was the amazing Aishu's Crafty Kids Club, and up after me will be just Janice. So Aishu, Sudha, Tonya, Byron, Julie and Gert, happy birthday guys! A big shout out to Byron Chandler, who's the biggest die-hard Disney fan that I know. I hope you enjoyed this collaboration. Now I have in front of me an acrylic pour painting fluid artwork that I created a while back. This was a straight cloud pour technique, and my imagination took me to that wonderful scene in Alice in Wonderland when she falls through the rabbit hole. I thought this was a perfect piece to embellish with its swirls and patterns going into the centre. Just look at that, and the beautiful colours in it as well. I couldn't wait to embellish it. So the next stage is using my sketches that I've done on tracing paper to try and decide where I'm going to place them. I find this method of drawing transfer much more useful when you're trying to work out the composition and where to place each of the separate elements. I did use matte spray varnish to give this painting some tooth so I would be able to embellish and paint over it. So I have to now decide which direction and which kind of direction Alice is going to fall into the rabbit hole. And I'm thinking that it looks quite good if she's kind of falling this way in. So maybe place her somewhere around here. I'm still trying to decide, and to transfer the image I'm going to use white transfer paper, which is this, and this is white transfer paper. I'll place it on top of this and then obviously sketch over it with a pencil. I'll go over the outline and I'll get it onto there. Okay, so let's do that next. Now, after the success of the last Disney collaboration that I hosted, I wanted to do this a second time round but have a theme, and I was utterly thrilled when Byron suggested Alice's Adventures in Wonderland. Now, I was an avid reader as a young child, and I always had my head in a book and used to get criticised for it by my family. And I remember falling in love with this 1865 English children's novel by Lewis Carrolls. I absolutely loved Alice herself and how inquisitive she was, and all the peculiar anthropomorphic characters and creatures that she encounters in Wonderland. Both as a child and as an adult, I loved how the tale plays with logic and fantasy, and how whimsical, fantastical and surreal it is. It really stretches the limits of your imagination, especially as a child, which is what you need. I fell in love with Wonderland, a place filled with peculiar characters and nonsensical events. Alice encounters the White Rabbit, the Cheshire Cat, the Mad Hatter and the Queen of Hearts as she navigates a series of bizarre and unpredictable adventures. Okay, so I've got all my pencil drawings on there now, if you can see that. Let's see if you can see. There's Alice, some clocks, a rabbit in a hat, top hat, and a pot of tea. A chair upside down, marmalade jar, another clock, some playing cards, a candelabra, and some more cards here and there. So that's it. And now we're going to use some of these. These are Grabie markers, the 36. We've got 2 trays. This is great because we can use any number of these colours to use. So you can see this way. You can see that these are the colours that I'll be using. Okay, so I'm going to take a brush marker and I'm going to go in with the lighter tones, and I'm just looking at her dress now, and I'm going to try and see where we can add that. And we can add that over here. Now, you might be wondering why the Down the Rabbit Hole scene from the 1951 Alice in Wonderland movie is likely my favourite. Well, for a number of different reasons. It marks the beginning of Alice's fantastical adventure, introducing the whimsical and nonsensical world of Wonderland. The rabbit hole scene sets the stage for the entire story. It introduces us to the strange and unpredictable nature of Wonderland with its peculiar inhabitants and bizarre situations. Alice's impulsive decision to follow the White Rabbit down the hole embodies the spirit of adventure and curiosity that we all have, which is a key theme in the story. The scene itself is visually striking as well, with animated sequence of Alice falling down the rabbit hole and encountering floating objects, such as everyday household items like books, bookshelves, mirrors, paintings, cupboards, even orange marmalade jars. The White Rabbit with his waistcoat and pocket watch is a memorable character who embodies the idea of being in a hurry and the anxieties of time. The Down the Rabbit Hole scene is a metaphor for stepping outside of one's comfort zone and embracing the unknown, which is a recurring theme in this story. This scene perfectly captures the nonsensical and whimsical nature of the story with its strange and illogical elements. I really love that scene. and when I read the book I actually pictured it in my mind's eye as even more fantastical. For me, the rabbit and the rabbit hole become a symbol for curiosity, fantasy and escape, and even today the expression going down the rabbit hole is in popular use, symbolising a journey somewhere unknown, challenging, bizarre or complex that will take some mental work to figure out. It's so much fun to add the little frills on a petticoat with acrylic pens. In the whimsical world of Wonderland, nothing is as it seems. Join me as we dive into the magical moment when Alice falls down the rabbit hole, an iconic scene from the 1951 animated classic Alice in Wonderland. So as Alice peers down the rabbit hole, curiosity pulls her closer, leading her into the unknown. Her heart races with wonder, yet there's a calmness to the journey as she begins her descent. What was once a world of ordinary garden paths and grassy meadows turns into a spiral of vibrant colours and strange objects that seem to float in the air. Here, in this surreal moment, she tumbles through space and time, uncertain of what lies ahead. With every twist and turn, Alice falls deeper into the depths of Wonderland. The world around her warps, familiar objects become strange, and gravity feels like a distant memory. She gazes at the objects tumbling alongside her, books, teacups, and even a floating little door. As Alice drifts further, we see the walls of the hole seemingly stretch out to infinity. The further she falls, the more her surroundings defy the rules of reality, and the more the whimsical world of Wonderland begins to take shape. As I begin to bring this scene to life on canvas, the swirling colours of the acrylic pour will capture that disorientating sensation of falling, with Alice spiralling through the kaleidoscope of colour. The world beneath her feet feels like it's constantly shifting, just as the acrylic pour colours of my background appear to shift and merge on my canvas. And the layers of my acrylic pen give life to Alice. Like Alice's journey, this painting is unpredictable and full of surprises at every turn as I decide what item is going where and how big or small it's likely to be. At this very moment, Alice doesn't know what to expect. She's both scared and thrilled. This is a journey into the unknown, into a land that exists beyond the limits of imagination, where anything is possible. This moment, as strange and magical as it is the beginning of Alice's adventure, where the rules of logic and reason are thrown out of the window in favour of something far more extraordinary. Just to let you know, there's an extended version of this video coming out soon, so keep an eye out, and there'll be a lot more trivia and facts in that one. I'm really enjoying putting in all of the different objects that are flying through this rabbit hole with Alice. So to me, the world of Wonderland is full of whimsy, wonder, and a dash of madness. In this collaboration with my 14 incredible fellow artists and friends, I'm inviting you to join me on a journey through the rabbit hole, where logic gets tossed aside and imagination reigns supreme. Today we're diving into one of the most iconic moments from Disney's Alice in Wonderland, the moment that Alice falls into the depths of the unknown. As I paint, I'm not just capturing Alice's fall, I'm channeling the very feeling of losing oneself in a world that is constantly shifting, bending and spiralling. It's a place where the normal rules of reality fade away and anything is possible. And just like Alice, I'm taking a leap of faith, not knowing what the final result will be. And you can see me adding some tiny playing cards going into the centre of the rabbit hole, just to give it some sense of proportion. As a final thought, I want to say live life with curiosity and be brave enough to follow your instincts, even when sometimes you may not know where you're headed. And just like Alice, sometimes life feels like we're in a free fall, caught between what we know and what we're about to discover. And in that moment of uncertainty, there's freedom. Let's have enough faith in ourselves that we can embrace uncertainty and keep hoping that every turn in life holds a new surprise. I want you to think about your own journey through life. Have you ever felt like Alice, falling into the unknown, unsure of what's coming next? Well, it's in those moments of uncertainty that we often discover the most about ourselves and the world around us. I'd love to hear in the comments what you think about the idea of falling into the unknown. Have you ever taken a leap of faith or had an experience where everything seemed to change in an instant? Share your thoughts below. So now, my friends, we come to the end of the video, and I'm going to show you lots of stills and footage of the finished piece because I'm so super proud of this. I really hope you like it. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like, share and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. I hope this painting brings about a little bit of Wonderland's magic into your world. If you enjoyed this artistic journey, do share it with your fellow dreamers, and don't forget to check out the amazing works of the other artists in this collaboration, each bringing their unique spin on Alice in Wonderland. You'll find the playlist down below. Up next is Just Janice. See you there.